Meaning of elan.
elan,
Elan.
elan,
Elan. Elan is a noun that refers to a vigorous spirit, style or enthusiasm typically marked by confidence and elegance. It can also mean a distinctive flair or energy that is particularly impressive or appealing. The word has French origins and is often associated with a sense of vitality and vivacity. When someone has elan, they possess a certain grace and poise that sets them apart from others and makes them stand out in a positive way. Overall, elan is a quality that connotes a unique combination of strength, grace, and charm.